Want to keep some photos just for you on your Galaxy S25 Ultra running Android 16? You can easily move your private photos into the secure folder, a protected space that keeps your files hidden and safe behind your screen lock. To do so, go to the app screen, then tap the secure folder, enter your screen lock, tap the three dot in the top right corner, then tap add files, select images. Now choose the photos you want to secure, then tap done. A pop-up will appear asking whether to move or copy the files. Move will remove the selected photos from their original location. Copy will keep them in both places. In this example, let's choose move. The photos are now saved securely inside your secure folder, visible only through the gallery within that folder. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your important photos in secure folder. It's a simple way to keep your private pictures safe and locked away from prying eyes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.